Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player widely regarded as one of the greatest in the history of sports. He was known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats, in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936, during an era where India dominated field hockey. His influence extended beyond these victories as India won the field hockey event in 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna Award, which is recently renamed as the Major Dhyan Chand Ghel Ratna Award.
Sports Authority of India. It is the apex national sports body of India established in 1982 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi is the head office of the Sports Authority of India. SAI has 2 sports academic institutions, 11 regional centers, 40 centers of excellence, 56 sports training centers and 20 special area games. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It is founded in the 27 May 2000. The role of Ministry of Youth is to act as a facilitator and a Catholic agent. Shastri Bhavan in New Delhi is headquarters of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports.
There are 10 professional sports leagues are in India. Indian group of sport teams are coming together to play number of different sports in league format. Most famous professional leagues are in India: Indian Premier League, Indian Super League, Indian Kabaddi League, Hockey Indian League, Indian Cricket League.
ഇന്ത്യയിലെ പരമോന്നത ബഹുമതിയാണ് രാജീവ് ഗാന്ധി ഖേൽ രത്ന പുരസ്കാരം. 1961 തുടങ്ങിയ പുരസ്കാരമാണ് അർജുന പുരസ്കാരം. ഭാരതം കണ്ട മികച്ച ഹോക്കി കളിക്കാരനായ ധ്യാൻ ചന്ദിന്റെ പേരിൽ കേന്ദ്ര ഗവൺമെന്റിന്റെ പരമോന്നത പുരസ്കാരമാണ് ധ്യാൻ ചന്ദ് പുരസ്കാരം.
ദ്രോണാചാര്യ അവാർഡ് മികച്ച കായിക പരിശീലകർക്ക് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഗവൺമെൻറ് നൽകി വരുന്ന പുരസ്കാരം. രാഷ്ട്രീയ ഖേൽ പ്രോത്സാഹൻ പുരസ്കാർ ഇന്ത്യൻ റിപ്പബ്ലിക് നൽകുന്ന കായിക ബഹുമതി. മൗലാന അബ്ദുൽ കലാം ആസാദ് ട്രോഫി 1957 ആദ്യമായി പുരസ്കാരം നൽകുന്നത്.
Importance of physical activities. Regular exercise and physical activity promotes strong muscles and bones. It improves respiratory, cardiovascular health and overall health. Staying active can also help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk for type 2 diabetics, heart disease, and reduce your risk for some cancers.
Indian hockey. India is the first non-European country to join International Hockey Federation. In 1928, the Indian team won the first Olympic medal. Indian hockey team has won 8 gold medals, 1 silver medal and 3 bronze medals in Olympics. Jaipal Singh led the first hockey team that participated in Olympics. Manpreet Singh and Rani Rampal are the current captains of the Indian men's and women's hockey team. Men's hockey team is the 3rd ranked team in the world, while the women's team is the 8th ranked team.
Cricket. The cricket was introduced in the 18th century. First cricket club was established in 1792. India's first captain was C.K. Naidu and the current captain is Virat Kohli. A match is played between 2 sides each of 11 players. The India men's national cricket team, also known as Team India, is governed by the BCCA. Some of the Indian cricket team players are Ravindra Jadeja, Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, etc. Championship of Indian cricket team in World Cup. The Indian cricket team are 2 times world champions, one in 1983 and the other in 2011.
Football. Football is the world's most popular ball game. The game is played in a rectangular field called pitch with a goal each end. Football is governed internationally by the International Federation of Association of Football. The object of this game is to score more goals than opposite team, usually within a time frame of 90 or more minutes.
ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പുരാതനവും പരമ്പരാഗതവുമായ കായിക വിനോദമാണ് കബഡി. 1973 അമേച്ചർ കബഡി ഫെഡറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ രൂപീകരിക്കുകയും ആദ്യ മത്സരം തമിഴ്നാട്ടിൽ നടത്തുകയും ചെയ്തു. പിന്നീട് 1990 ഏഷ്യൻ ഗെയിംസിൽ പേര് രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയും പിന്നീടുള്ള 6 ഏഷ്യൻ ഗെയിംസുകളിലും ഇന്ത്യക്ക് വിജയം കൈവരിക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചു. 2004 ഇന്ത്യ ആദ്യമായി കബഡി ലോകകപ്പ് നേടുന്നത്. കബഡിയിലെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രശസ്തനായ കായിക താരമാണ് പ്രദീപ് നർവാൾ. പഞ്ചാബും ഹരിയാനയുമാണ് കബഡിയിലെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രശസ്തമായ സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങൾ. നിയമങ്ങൾ: കുറഞ്ഞത് 10 കളിക്കാരും പരമാവധി 12 കളിക്കാരും വേണം. 2 ടീമുകൾക്കായി 2 കോർട്ടുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. 5 മിനിറ്റ് ഇടവേളയിൽ 20 മിനിറ്റ് ദീർഘമുള്ള 2 പകുതിയിൽ വീതമാണ് മത്സരം. എതിർ ടീമിലെ വ്യക്തിയെ തൊട്ട ശേഷം വര മുറിച്ചു കടക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തിക്ക് പോയിന്റ്സ് ലഭിക്കും.
Chess. It's a recreational and competitive board game played between 2 players. It's played on a square chessboard with 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid. At start, each player controls 16 pieces. 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops and 8 pawns. The object of the game is to checkmate the opponent's king. The National Premier Chess Championship. It was established in 1955 by Andhra State Chess Association. Some of the Indian chess players are Vishwanath Anand, Vidit Gujarati, Pendel Harikrishna, Adhipat Bhaskaran, Nihal Sarin, etc.
Kho-Kho. The history of Kho-Kho. The Asian Kho-Kho Federation was established in the year 1987 during 3rd SAF Games held at Kolkata, India. The members countries were India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Award related to Kho-Kho: Arjuna Award, Eklavya Award for Women, Rani Lakshmi Bai Award for Women, Janaki Award, Veer Abhimanyu Award. Here is a list of 5 famous, talented and reputed national Kho-Kho players who earned success and love through his games: Satish Rai, Sarika Khale, Pankaj Malhotra, Mandakini Majhi, Praveen Kumar.
Tennis is a racket sport that can be played individually against a single opponent or between 2 teams of 2 players each. All India Tennis Association, established in 1920, is the governing body of tennis in India and it is a member of Asian Tennis Federation. Sania Mirza is an Indian professional tennis player.
Wrestling. Wrestling is a compact sport involving grappling type techniques such as clinch fighting, throws and takedowns, joint locks, pins and other grappling holds. The sport can either be genuinely competitive or sportive entertainment. Wrestling comes in different types such as folk style, freestyle, Greco-Roman, catch, submission, judo, sambo and others. Wrestling is a physical competition between 2 competitors or sparring partner who attempt to gain and maintain a superior position. There are a wide range of styles with varying rules with both traditional, historic and modern styles. Wrestling techniques have been incorporated into other martial arts as well as military hand-to-hand combat systems.
P.T. Usha is one of the most iconic women athletes of track and field. P.T. Usha was born on June 27, 1964. P.T. Usha did not have a privileged childhood and faced many health issues and much poverty. She earned the title of the Queen of Indian Track and Field and the nickname of Payoli Express. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sports while serving in the Indian Army. He represented India in the 1956 Summer Olympics in Melbourne, in 1960 Summer Olympics in Rome, and the 1964 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor in recognition of his sporting achievements.
Abhinav Bindra. He represented India in 2008 Olympics and became the first Indian to win gold medal. He won 9 medals in Commonwealth Games and 3 medals in Asian Games. He received Padma Bhushan. He retired on 5th September 2016. Neeraj Chopra. He represented India in javelin throw in 2020 Tokyo Olympics and won gold medal with a throw of 87.5 meters. He was the second Indian player who won an individual Olympics gold medal after Abhinav Bindra.